Welcome back. It's the Higher Table podcast in the Tafurani and the entertainment side of things. Guys, utwambango nazune zishizibona nawe watakala nazune warachizibona uri venda liko zwita watozibona zori ya huko bana na nyaruwo huko bana chanduko zwitu zikho ya phanda kudzibona zi record label dzanda uri nganda venda uri dzikudzisaina bathu bayani bangakhombusa ndikhwambiswa ngamini bakuzibona nipoka screen uri rina Mukosi ane yabori una track enofi bonus ine yabori iko tsibula ngamanda ndi track ine askale yo vanepa but 2 weeks ago and the track in a feature Ba Bethe I hope I'm pronouncing that other part of the name ngore baba imbiawa noni bana mango madzina ne ya adzibuisa so vunje bathu Mukosi badomdiba bvaninge mrawu ndikhamba mrawu ngemusi achi dropa track zinonga ardobezwa mroba ine yabori ndimwe track and I wish it had 100% funded music video. I mean like a dope music video. TV. I'm telling you that track was gonna fly high because that track really does it. So unazunguzwa track ezina ungadona zori na bona ngwasa divi. When track enda ngatamba bathu thangera ngamanda Mukosi ndila track enobizo of Maria. The track ndimwe track enda ngari it was not pushed. Ngobe ya move we dzingisa fikiswa guy, but it was one of those tracks in Abozori like they were hot, man. So unokubona zone hapo ka screening the track in yabori ndione bonasi ezona kuzibona. So this is the behind the scene ya music video na bizo findi bonasi ndi bonasi ndo kuzuka ndo shuma ndo itaso mara yenda ndikuda bonasi ukambwa masheleni uri yo December ali watu bono shuma watu bopusha watu weta zoe ita zone bati yokana zinezwa bonala man raza tufesa ndikoto zombisani ndikwamba tozana uri banga mdamrani nge osuka drop la track enough goro ndi mwezi track ene yabori bone it have done major damage on the streets in the track ene yabori it has done good, man. So zikomna zoradio ndisuzu nizabori ziyatakaza rikobona zori we growing as artists zayani ashato kondo fana ngemrawu ngori zozino kana vanilidza kazi radio za hayani you can get a place somewhere beside depend kazi radio you can depend also on the social media, you can depend on the YouTube streaming and everything because it's working for a lot of artists. A lot of artists by now they blow up vasungobia validzona radio but they just blow up through like the YouTube, the Facebook and the TikTok the Twitter. I mean there's people that got record deal through there. So but wamfandi kwamba zori ndi kwamba mapungori congratulations to Mukosi ndikwambisa ngo izinoni ngori zozinori kwamba osaina na company lena bizuzo Location Hustle Music Location Hustle Music in the company yabo Rio Basani ngeko kwamhlanga ndikwamba the head office zabo zikwamhlanga KZN zinabasa the distance of venda no ya KZN the distance ya hani pezi uko wona uko sign ka company yabo the head office zabo zo Basani nge the company na wori it's an imaging company na wori iko zuhuru na yona and the black owned company the company na iko hura we wishing to see the great I think partnership yabo na Mukosi nayo idoba jieba be haninge ntanta bure geregeni bapenya babona rasa zinguzi record label bozura ntani ngendi chikhola zori nane bayani I guess most of the people they will be learning ori you can still invest in the craft nisa kotodo jia decide that the feelings ori abende mimbi mwenda mfavor ndo piyo mimbi nda mfavor piyo mara araona mimbi ne boruko tsibura bathu muthu ndi investor car yenda bona uri ndita mindi chapanda rarasko rapusha ngoraro we can all invest in one artist but we have a lot of talent ndikwamba ngamloro na kuvikid nena that drop a track yawe inena zvino mapungo na kudosidzana nawo ngamramso sike sana King Mnadane kunomfara zwabudela mapungo kidaka tamtamu vadozibona chibidzero kudo drop anefa ngalaptano ku drop chibidzero ndikwamba mndu kana tukzini. So we have talent in our it's there and then there's a lot of it and as unza zori unabathu banji bane they are scared usaina mavenda because they know that you are hard worker and bathola bane bachitshuma suzo bazwita ndezwa bvelele ndirina chikedzo khulwane ngamanda khazu zwashu nango bathu bachira rifunana ritikani khalushaka lumwe lumwe there's that drama rinere wara ringo dala khadzimwe chaka usikaonedza bori vunji ha bathu ndi banji yabo bathu ngamanda we have a lot of people khadzimwe dzichaka zvinozosiya rine ngora rivanji siyabona razori utongari apa noniri kunyara nyinga apo kufune nyinga apo kufavor nyinga apa utongari kutakalelwa nyi. So it's easy for other cultures uri singotobona lesa ngori ndi banji usikaone vapira rine ti vamwe vashu vadidzumba vaona muthu achibodita muzulu muchangana mumini anenge mubeli mumini come on really now but yeah mapungara kukhamba ngawo ndiyeno ri Mukosi osaina Les Location Music vanenge kwamhlanga ndi muthu ana track nadzi hit track dzinjinga manda dzine vatozitevera vangazwipforiya Mukosi una bukoni omutu. So richiko zena futhi ko dubona music video unaka honoru uro shootiwa nga company name of Tools. I love the way they have improved their craft, man. These guys, there were some times when you see it like the storyline, but I'm loving how they have improved their craft and how they're doing things. And even if you can check this music video, guys, you can see that here we are about to work something dope. We're about to work something great. The common choreographing zahone zote zozanyeya vakosedza na zvura zvichiko dita zvichina padana pala vavona chifisi zvaitwa zvanaka kwamba zononga zonezvi. We're talking about the behind the scene ya Mukosi. So una vatu vanji vane vadhiva kuti gumuro ri hey Mukosi uko sound asamakadzi vavangori. There's a lot of people, man. There is HD24 or just HD, and he sound exactly like Jay-Z. That boy didn't go and copy the voice. He just sound like Jay-Z. Mara munji watu wako diambori no okopa voice ya Jay-Z. But when he speaks, you can still tell, or there is similarity somewhere. And again, if you're using auto-tune, if you're using whatever to make your voice sound proper, sound doper than it sounds, because people can be dope again as artists, but again, I'm saying, we just studio and just got to make a sure voice like now onori. Now onori, ningarin just studio ninge ni chikuta voice ya now onori. Ndurina msingweta voice ya mu urinakelele usiko uni ato penyelele ato chinelele ato takadza zvakudhi unasuzvivilizira ato zvine zvadhiitiwa zvine zvasiya musi just towards the voice now voice dziko yerana zvabva nako rini chiimba kana voice yamu ichibva project ichibvira ndai now voice dziko fana not because you chose urini sound esaye kana mini but there are people that always and will always sound like Makadzi because she's the one that took a lead and some of us, we can differentiate when you listen. You can hear that, oh, okay, now this is not Makadzi. Voice Makadzi, ethic usugapa. Oh, Mukosi ina softness ichidapa noni. So some people like bangori yakono zifozor na voice aituba exactly the same. Mara simuna mungu ndezo nga ona rimbo chikorira na rukwamboro no na beat ziko fana edzi omutu ushimsa beat nti urochincha hapa na hapa na unataka kubuzo vi no but why are you saying that this song is nice? Yes, I'm not saying the song is not nice. I'm just saying the guy's using one beat on 5 songs. He just changed the kicks and that just to make it a little bit different. But mapungo manje nakalotaka down ndizori man, I'm loving this behind the scene. I'm loving the behind the scene. I've seen the clip, also a music video in Yabori. Already vakungoto yorivai yani ngema gumoni any video. I just attached the trailer ya music video no you but mapungo manyinda kungoto sidandeo rich muchipinga bachi wana uchifiba baimbi bakourwa abalu ngori bone mabunye bakufunungwa bunji yabathu bone bapedza kurisa baimbi ndi batebeli ndi dzifene babamba zvine bafuna bahango zori it affect both of them and baona uri bangothu nokwamba izvo zvithu vasokuti vabangana kana ndi bathu vana bushakanyana kana vatsininyana na mumwe wa mimbi anepo kana vamwe nane vaimbi vote so zvine zvasiya uchikopadza vapana dzibeef dza unnecessary just because vateveli vakwamba zvine vafila uri vangamba zvone vakongwana muzi so nditova happy even though zoraro I know man we had Nalundi I sound a bit like Rebecca yeah I sounded like Rebecca but bangwa vatu vachikono differentiator because the voice was not 100% the same. They just sounded similar. But not forgetting what bonus the track in any day could December, it could tell us to go to the bonus. I eat the bonus. Though could tambochi and go to Babuse, Mukosi happen or drop another hit. Banning our door, the Maria Goro Mini Zote. Let's forget about who's never to our Kwambazone because Sasala mini. Because Basako the social media Bambas never funa, but Chianduni Zawa as the Conin, which I mean Javoni. Baba Kotamba, the track. Tirko diambera ngo ngori rengato zumba ngo so yeah so zun numbers onani mrando kamore vaimbi zwi depend na korengo shimisa mini studio ndikuita the voice davio zinozo asiya zuko sound similar volili weni vo dita zwe vaita zonera wana mwana mwako rapper vachipedza ko sound the same but vavo sound savo Questa vamwe va the sound savo Casper vamwe va sound savo aka like is because sometimes you when you do things they end up depending on what you're using you can end up sounding the same. Some get inspired and when they start singing as young kids or wherever they are now on oh voice yawe ko diera ninge zunga vari nyino fone twazi ndo difatu vachira wa kutonga ri ko kopa Colbert ndi voice yawe na muzira mutachesa ka gospel. It sounds similar because you have listened to much that and now when you hear this Kongwan. So I'm just showing that Mukosi, thank you very much for this hit hot album, hot single. We waiting for the album in Akodova. From the Dukan Swan and one and Wamahangoni, I'm like, yo, what's way born behind the scene. I'm loving it. It's way dope. It's way super. It's way beautiful behind the scene of the music. Bonasi. Whenever meaning at this behind the scene. Ndayandona.